Topic 3. Services. It is important for a project manager to know the services that are being provided under their contract. By knowing the services of the project and being aware of these expectations, the project manager has the ability to keep the project team organized and quickly correct the course of the project to keep activities on track. By identifying services, the project manager is able to manage different team members and functional service groups in parallel. This reduces the risk of teams working in silos. By working in parallel, teams can share processes and lessons learned to improve the quality of work and to work more efficiently. Being accountable to deadlines will be easier for the project manager when the services of the contract are clear. This allows the project manager to be focused and able to concentrate on reaching the next deadline or milestone. By managing the services, the project manager will decrease the number of surprises that may impact deadlines. In being aware of the services, the project manager will be able to identify and manage work that is considered out of scope and will decrease your chance of scope creep. The role of the project manager is to manage their scope of work and not burden the team and company with work that will not be valued and/or compensated by the client. Typically, a project manager is expected to document any out-of-scope activities. It is best practice to track any changes of scope, including a description of the change and when the initiative began, and to quantify any effort related to the change in scope with number of hours and approximate dollar value that was or is involved. The organization or company you're working for may have a strict process regarding how to manage out-of-scope activities. So far in this module, we've identified the stakeholders who will require updates and a variety of methods on how to update these stakeholders. Now, we'll turn our focus to the specific services within a project. The project manager is expected to see long-term and big picture. It is important to consider how all services might impact one another and what each functional group requires from the others to keep their tasks moving. When generating this list, consider the 4 phases in a project that were discussed in Module 1. Some project services to consider are finance, project management, data management, statistics, resourcing, human resources, reporting, safety or medical, writing, records management, quality assurance and auditing, marketing, and others specific to your industry or workplace.